Welcome back to Adelaide Boat Sales. I'm Jo Mitten, and today we're test sailing a beautiful 1910 Timber Trawler located in Galway, South Australia. I'd like to introduce you to the owner, Craig, who's going to talk to us about a little bit of the history of the boat, starting from 1910 when she was first launched.
We bought the boat in 2010. We've obviously done a lot of renovations to it, a major renovation. I've basically done all the work to it. In that renovation, we had a dream of having teak decks. The first thing we did was recork the whole boat. It was all done with cotton, and we cleaned all the seams and redid all that. Then we wanted to fiberglass the hull up to the decks, and then I decided that maybe we should do the cab. And we did the cab. Then we thought we'd do the roof. We did the roof. And we basically rebuilt the whole boat except the hull. The main owner of the boat was Charlesworth family. Obviously Chappie Charlesworth, and his father had it. Back in World War II, and he bought it from Port Pirie. The builder, the boat builder in Port Pirie, brought it back to Adelaide, and he did fishing charters out of Port Adelaide. And then when Chappie came back from the war, he took over that business, and then obviously he started his nut business up. He, I think, had it, they did the last renovation Searles in the 1960s. They put lifted the decks, made it into a gentleman's boat that it's like today. After 2 or 3 owners, we bought it. One of the things we did to it was we raised the roof when we redid the cab, made it about 75 mil higher, and dropped the windows from here down to here so you could see out as you cruise through the river. We spent probably 4,000 hours on this boat over a period of 18 months. When it came time to varnish, I had all the time in the world, so I just varnished. I was a bit like Forrest Gump. I just varnished. There's 13 coats inside, and a coat would take me about 5 hours. Outside, there's 14 coats of the all-wood high gloss product. It's 13 or about 10 to 12 years old from its renovation, and still looking really beautiful.
So obviously when we're looking at boats with a beautiful history and a beautiful quality build from the beginning, I mean, like, let's face it, we don't get to see too many boats of 1910 still presenting in incredible condition like this one. The ribs are all look to be really, really solid. The external work has been done, and it's amazing what they've managed to achieve with the hull that's in place. So I think really it's a boat that you do need to come and see, and piggybacking off of things like the Wooden Boat Festival in Hobart and the up and coming Wooden Boat Festival here in Galway, definitely worth the opportunity. Take the opportunity to come and see her for yourself.